I wanted to get a purse and a car flashlight for personal security, and I love the size of this one. It fits right in the palm of your hand. You also get 2 of them in the pack. This was sent to me. And when it arrives to you, just unscrew this part, and the battery is already in there. There's just like a little white piece of paper right there. You just take that out and screw it back on, and you have it so that it works. Has a nice little clip here on the side as well. So if you want to clip it to you when you're walking, you can. And then I liked that this is serrated. So in case of an emergency, if you needed to break a glass, or if you even needed to use this against someone for personal security, you do have that sharper edge right there. Clicking on, super, super simple. You can see the light behind me. And then if you do click it hard, it turns it on and off. But if you do just like light clicks, it will go through 3 modes of low, high, and medium. Now, hard to tell because I have lights on right now, but if you were to take this outside, you'd be able to see it. If I flash it straight at, you can see it's very bright. And then you also can zoom with it. So the way you can twist it can make it zoom or more focused with the light. Again, this would work best using a demo outside in the night, but it's daytime right now. And I just wanted to pop on and say this is awesome if you're looking for something for personal security or just something small that can fit in a nightside table or something like that. This is gonna be great. And I love that you get 2 of them and the batteries are included.